All right, what's up guys? Mkbhd here, coming at you from the new studio with a bit of an exclusive. Yes, this is a OnePlus 8 Pro. This is my OnePlus 8 Pro, as you might have guessed. Now, the announcement, of course, still hasn't happened yet, but you probably already know about OnePlus's classic strategy of showing a little bit about the phone little by little before it comes out. So it's in this case here because they wanted to hide everything about this phone except for the display. And I said, Marquez, you can say anything you want about the display that's being shown here by this case. So here's what I'll say. 120 hertz, check. 240 hertz touch sampling rate, also check. 1440p resolution, also check. And that is while 120 hertz is on. So if I go into advanced here, 120 hertz is on. And QHD plus resolution also on. It's an AMOLED screen, it's HDR10+, it's still got the fingerprint reader underneath the glass, all of that, check, check, check. I mean, honestly, it's right up there as one of the best. It's one of the fastest displays in any phone. 60 to 90 hertz is obviously more noticeable than 90 to 120 hertz, but I'm tempted to make like an entire video on that kind of, but I will say it's noticeably brighter than last year's phone. And yeah, I'm still not a fan of the curved edges. I'll mention that too. You can see these edges are pretty aggressively curved over. OnePlus would probably say that's more for your bezel-less look when there's no case on it, but to me that still has a lot of accidental screen presses. But yeah, that's about all I can say for this teaser. You can use your imagination for the rest, but yes, I have been using the OnePlus 8 Pro for about 2 weeks now, so the review is coming tomorrow on YouTube. Stay tuned for that. Catch you guys over there. See you soon. Peace.